here we are, first day on the job site. You can see by this pile here, the homeowners already did some work here. And let's go take a look at what he's done so far. And then we're gonna go over what I'm gonna do. Up here, all this debris was generated from here. Indeed, this walkway got knocked out here. The reason for that is we're going to be doing a front patio here of concrete, and they're going to be probably about 4x4 or 5x5 slabs with 5-inch space in between for some cobblestone. But the reason this came out is because the old valves, sprinkler valves, were here, and now we're doing concrete all the way across. And the valves ended up going over here because there'll be a false wall, maybe a little short retaining along here, seat wall in front of the patio, or you may have some plants across here to give a little privacy on the front patio. So all that'll be kind of hidden from the street view. So today we're gonna, not today, but through the course of this project, we're gonna be removing this sidewalk here. We're gonna be removing these little bushes. We're gonna widen the driveway. We're gonna take the whole driveway out and widen it. This little brick retaining's coming out. These are never real nice along the sides of the driveway because the door always has a tendency to hit it, or you could catch the corner on a tire and rip the sidewall out. So this is coming out. We're gonna widen the driveway over to here. And then we're gonna just continue with the sidewalk all the way. There'll be no more steps. I got some landings here. You can see these landings really don't work when you have a sloped lawn without some kind of a retaining, because what ends up happening is you can see the lawn is higher here than the landing right here. Here's the landing. So the dirt ends up going onto the top of the concrete. So landings don't work without retainings on each side, especially out of sloped lawn area. Then we're gonna remove all this driveway. The whole thing's coming out. And you can see here, the driveway's done really well, really. About 40 years or so, this driveway. There's no steel reinforcement in it. There never is on the original builds, and there's no control joints in this. That's why you have all the cracks just randomly wherever. Over here, this driveway has been added on at one point all the way over to here. That's all coming out. We're gonna widen this walkway. This walkway is coming out all the way back through the side yard. You can see they had an original sidewalk down the middle. They added concrete in the planter along the house and the planter along the block wall. That's all added concrete. That's gonna all come out. And you can see the water way in the back there, and that's where it puddles. I mean, it gets probably 2 to 3 inches deep before it actually starts running out. So we're gonna put drains all the way down this side here, and we're gonna put a hole through the curb down here by the front of my truck, and that's where the water's gonna get out of this side yard from. Also, we have a gutter here. We have a downspout. So we'll probably, if our drain line's probably gonna be right about here running, so we'll tee off, hook up to that downspout, catch that water, and all this is gonna be new. This is gonna be widened, because here's the property line here, center of this block wall. The property line's right about here. So our concrete will go right to here all the way over. It'll be all new right to the house. That's the whole scope of this particular job. And right now we're in the rainy season, so I'm not gonna open this driveway up until we get a good clear 2 weeks in the forecast. Once you open something like this up, and all the runoff from the entire property is hitting here, and it can't run over the sidewalk because now you're low, it becomes a real mud hole basically. So we're looking for a couple good solid weeks, no rain in the forecast, so we can blow it out, get it back in between storm systems. That's the idea here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.